Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about the episode where Prachi and Ranveer are going to meet face to face. So guys, stay tuned, watch to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Tashu collides with Ranbir and laughs. Ranbir says you would have fall down. Tashu says if you care for me. Ranbir says yes, and asks her to be careful. She tells that she is feeling good hearing his scolding and asks why. He says as you are pampered a lot being only daughter. Tashu tells that she had fired the party worker as she was not good. She says she don't want any wrong people to be around him, and wants only good, trustworthy and honest people to stay with him. He asks who is that person? Tashu says Priyu. He asks if she likes me. Tashu says Priyu loves only her husband and will never like you. Gajendra tells Rajni that Priyu has recorded all the manifesto as he wanted and praises her. Rajni says Priyu is Tashu's good friend. She asks what shall I wear? He asks her to wear whatever she likes and goes. Tashu sees Prachi's manifesto and sees how she is presenting the party agenda. She says it is really good. Gajendra tells that his phone is having problem and says Priyu has recorded it in the pendrive also. He calls Prachi and tells about the problem in his phone. She says she will bring. Tashu checks the video, but soon it stops. Ranbir comes there. Gajendra says they were seeing the manifesto. Ranbir says he will see. He takes Gajendra's phone. Prachi comes to Gajendra's room and the door gets locked. She calls Tashu and asks her to come. Tashu tells Gajendra that she will come. She comes to Gajendra's room with Ranbir and asks Prachi not to worry. Prachi says she is not worrying. Ranbir hears her voice and gets shocked. Tashu asks him to open the door. Ranbir asks Prachi to see if something is struck on the door. Gajendra and Rajni come there. Rajni asks him to come to the party. Tashu says she will call the key maker and goes to call. Ranbir asks Priyu if she has anything with which door can be opened. Prachi says she has the pin. She gives it from under the door. He opens the door and sees Prachi's face. He gets shocked. Prachi is stunned to see him alive. Ranbir walks towards her and says Prachi. Prachi calls him and cries. They have an emotional hug and they cry. Prachi asks if you are really here, Ranbir Baklu. He says yes, Chick Chiki. Prachi asks if you are really here. Ranbir says yes. Prachi says you are alive all these 20 years and asks where was you? Rajni comes there and asks them to come. Ranbir says he will come. He asks Prachi, how is she? Prachi recalls Tashu and Ranbir's marriage and goes out from there. Ranbir asks Prachi to listen to him. She says I don't want to talk, leave my hand. She asks him to leave and bites on his hand. He asks if you are done, and still holding her hand. He takes her to room and asks what is all this. He says you shall talk to me, we met after 20 years. She says you have acted to be dead for 20 years. He says why will I act? He says you don't know what happened to me, and why I didn't return. She says I don't want to know. You married my friend Tashu and see the destiny game. I got my husband married to my friend. She says she don't want to hear anything. He says I didn't see you or was not aware that you are marrying my friend. He asks why you didn't stop my marriage. She says she didn't see his face, but saw someone else wearing clothes like him. Ranbir says he was Karthik, Tashu's friend. Gajendra is coming there with Keysmith. Tashu says she got the master key. Prachi asks why you didn't call, as my number is still same. Ranbir says his didn't run away from her. He tells that his heart wanted to meet her and see her face, but his mind asked him not to meet her. Tashu says Priyu, I got the keys and is opening the door. Ranbir hides. Rajni says again it got closed, it had opened. Tashu opens the door, comes inside and hugs Prachi. Gajendra asks Prachi to come downstairs. He addresses to the media and tells that Priyu will present the manifesto. The video is played on the screen. Ranbir comes downstairs. He also sees the video. Tashu asks where was you? and says it doesn't look good that you were not here. Ranbir asks why you didn't tell me that Priyu's name is Prachi. She says she called her Priyu with love, and tells that she has given her nickname Priyu like she calls him K. Gajendra tells that Priyu will work in my party too and congrats her. He asks the guests to have dinner. He tells Prachi that it will be late so stay here tonight. Prachi says I have to go home. Tashu says you shall stay here, being my best friend, and says whatever is mine is yours first, house and family. She says I will call your family and inform them. Tashu takes Prachi to a room and asks her to stay here tonight. Prachi says she has to go home. Tashu says she doesn't disrespect her papa, and asks her to place the fresh bedsheet and sleep, and asks her to wear clothes from her wardrobe and says whatever is mine is yours. She sees Ranbir standing outside and takes him from there. Prachi closes the door and cries. Tashu comes to room and says you didn't sleep till now. Ranbir says I am not getting sleep.
So guys, this is the end of the episode. So what did you think about this new twist? Because this episode is really emotional. Because how can a wife get her husband married to her best friend without even knowing? So guys, this is very emotional and very painful for Prachi. So guys, what did you think? Leave your comments below. Let's find out what you think about this episode. And please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe for more updates, and see you